Welcome back. You're watching the fifth match in round 3 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Angels Primary on 16 and McAuley Primary on 18. Let's now go to the final challenge. And in this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian new Ultimate Provider clock. Teams, let's begin with local affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. McAuley.
Stephanie Lindsay. Stephanie Lindsay.
Senior Superintendent, Head of Constabulary Communications Network. Correct. Sports. Who is the only player in professional cricket who can effect a stumping to get a batsman out? Wicketkeeper. Bible knowledge. Arrange these Old Testament books in the order in which they appear in the Bible. Jonah, Amos, Obadiah. Angels.
Amos, Obadiah, Jonah.
Amos, Obadiah, Jonah.
Correct. Science. What is another name for the pupa stage in the metamorphosis, that's angels,
Chrysalis.
Chrysalis.
of a butterfly? Correct. English language. What part of speech is the word soaking, as in used in this sentence? The boy came out of the soaking rain, angels,
Adjective. Adjective.
with a bad cold. That's correct. Music. Tyrone Thompson is the birth name of which Jamaican gospel artist? Angels?
Papa San.
Papa San.
Correct. General knowledge. Adam Stewart is the head of which hotel group in Jamaica? Angels?
Sandals.
Sandals.
Correct. Television. This is a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican actress. Angels?
Chantal Jackson.
Chantal Jackson.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the value of x if 7x minus 32 equals 52? The bell beat you to it, and the answer would have been 12. Social studies. What is the name or title given to the representative of the Governor General in each Jamaican parish? Custos. Theatre and cinema. Who was the lead actor in the classic movie Gandhi? Ben Kingsley, Sir Ben Kingsley. Sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Angels?
Brianna Williams.
Brianna Williams.
Jamaican Olympian, correct. Bible knowledge. Saul, Saul, why persecutest thou me? Were words spoken to Paul formerly while he was on the road to which city? Angels?
Damascus.
Damascus.
Correct. Science. When images are seen through the rod cells in the human eye, they appear in color. McAuley,
Black and white. Black and white.
is this statement true or false? The answer would have been false, so that's incorrect. English language. Spell gnome, which means a legendary dwarfish creature. That's angels.
Gnome.
Correct. We move on to music. The members of the classic group, the Beatles, were nationals of which? Macaulay.
British. Britain.
Of which country? That's correct. General knowledge. What is the capital of the Jamaican parish of St. Andrew? Macaulay.
Halfway tree. Halfway tree.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs. Who is the leader of opposition business in the Jamaican Senate? Angels?
Peter Bunting.
Peter Bunting.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the value of 13 squared minus 8 squared? The buzzer came in before. Judges said the bell came first, so we won't get to that. But the answer would have been 105. And at the end of the match, we have Angels on 36 and McAuley on 22. We'll double check those scores, of course, and return with the final results right after these messages.